In front of me is Emporia Smart Mark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called File Manager. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, hit Allow. And then, last but not least, select all files over here. Now just tap on Download folder. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it, tap on one of those options and choose just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!